you're not tired of it. So what the question of most of the students are, what you gain from it? Why you come, for you it is a repeat.
I don't know. There is some attraction for which every year it's my 1 month vacation.
1 month vacation.
Yeah, from 2nd December to 2nd January. On 2nd January I have reservation for
going back to Bombay.
Going back to Bombay.
I remember.
But it's a great opportunity to that within that time being there is the camp. So I don't want to miss that, and I just told my one of my friend who was there associate in BCKB in my Patachakra. He just sent the name as a member of BCKB unit.
Okay.
That's why I just came here. And
What is gain? Attraction is it what?
actually, it's a type of recharging.
Recharging.
I was
so
a
word.
student of Ramakrishna Mission Vidyapit Purulia. From class 4 to 12, I have completed 9 years in Ramakrishna Mission Vidyapit. So from very childhood, I was familiar with Swami Vivekananda's ideal, but how it can be applied in everyday's work and how it can be the most successful life can be achieved, and it's a great way what is Mahamandal is just guiding all to achieve that target.
So it is the practical implementation which is one of the motivating factor. Just not those inspiring lines, translation. Very good. ওখানে কি একটা স্টাডি সার্কেল
চেষ্টা তো করছি এখন দেখা যাক
get it as long as the wish is there and if you get two three people like-minded people নিয়ে একটা বই নিয়ে বুঝে গেল
অ্যাকচুয়ালি মানে ওই সময়টা পাওয়াটাও খুব মুশকিল। যেমন ধরুন ফিজিক্স কেমিস্ট্রি বা অন্যান্য ডিপার্টমেন্টেও প্রচুর বাঙালি আছে, তাদের সাথে সেইভাবে চেষ্টা করছি, দেখা যাক কতটা হতে পারে। থাকলেই হবে।
আমার প্রশ্ন আসছে
হ্যাঁ বলুন।
where does the money come from?
From campus,
Campus of fees there 150 rupees
150 rupees per candidate, and another total expense for a candidate about 500. Next 250 comes from donation from villager and well-wishers.
Whoever becomes familiar with this place and who feel like that some such things should happen and so they contribute. So from villages or various shops they also often contribute in kind. So, or they do not take the profit, they just give at the cost price. Something came from Kharagpur, Gulbajar, place, some material was brought. So that was that
From river side also,
some village side also something
farmers also.
even cost price. So whoever feel that something should go on, based on whether it is cash or time, they try to come. Totally voluntary, no big plus, no newspaper advertisement like donate and you will get exemption, tax exemption, or nothing like that. This is the mother of That's why we need to go to village, and Manishanko is not doing enough. So if you go to a village, you'll find that the village ladies or they wash their clothes So there is a big stone. They just that there's beat there clothes around that stone and all and this is the thing. And they do it for years and all. And when you go on doing it, maybe after 10 years, 20 years, you will find that the stone where they were, it is beating against, it has got some, impression over there that on one part something was being, pressed, something was being beaten. But it takes many, years or many efforts, many clothes, then only it happens. But if you look at individual clothes, so if our, what happens to it, if you look at our individual life, if you look at the society, it is so big, the problem is so vast and all. So many effort, many people need to put their effort together. Then maybe some visible change will be there. So that is one aspect of it. To make a impression, on the society, which itself is a big and is not so easy to do. The thing is that, like those clothes, each individual cloth, the mark it leaves is very small, probably. But each individual cloth gets cleaned in the process, isn't it? I mean, when they clean it. So if we, think of this, the society, something will happen when we put all our effort together. But each of our, each of this life will become something which is very, nice and good. So that is one important thing, and many people who come here actually, what impression they leave in the society is one aspect, but what they gain, they gain in confidence, they gain in strength and all. So when you talk about readers and all, many of the people here who went through this experience or this study cycle or this camp, very so-called quote unquote ordinary people, but the strength, the inherent strength they gained and all, each of them came out of those inferiority complex or that we are no good and all, and they have established, which otherwise they would have not dared to. They would have thought, no, it is not for us, we cannot do it. We cannot do it. Okay, so if you think about a job, you need to give bribe. Okay, there may be say 100 vacancies, maybe 50, I do not know exactly. 50 are there for bribe, etc. But there are other 50. It's not that all 100 jobs are, so I'll look for that. I'll look at the positive and gaining strength to get those 50, those things. Or I'll do so good that the person, will feel, the selection committee will find it difficult to get a person with a poor score, but he has given bribe and all to accommodate. It will be very difficult for him. So I'll look at that part, not the other side, that, why flog, what, nothing is going to happen. So this positivity is okay, so let us spend some